To the border, common frost wing with military uniform. Wisdom and courage of enemy courage. For achievements.
Tasking na kami. Antayin namin kayo sa
Achievements.
Antayin namin kayo sa ang EEB sir ha, kung saan ang kalaban, doon tayo magko-cover.
To the border, cold moon frost wing with military uniform. Wisdom and courage of enemy courage. For achievements. Achievements.
November 16, 0500 hours. Naval Education, Training and Doctrine Command. Philippine Navy, Zambales. OPBL 11, The Great Raid, a joint airsoft field training exercise conducted in coordination with the Philippine Marine Corps, organized by UNICOM.
Ang tasking ng Alpha First Platoon is kaya mag-coveran yan. Yung second platoon kasi may iwan dahil magsisecure ng beachhead para sa landing ng second Bravo Company. So ang recommendation natin, lahat ng elements ng first platoon is yung first two squad will have the frontal approach and the remaining squads will be the one to maneuver sa left flank. May flag yan dyan. Yun ang objective natin. Dapat makuha natin yung flag na yan. Bilang katunayan na nakuha natin. Dito na kami. Ngayon ang gano'n na mangyayari sa atin ha. Mali lang kasi yung instruction. Sorry, baka nalito lang si company commander. Ang una talagang magmamount para sa beach, sa unang wave ng ano natin ay buong Alpha Company.
Yung ano natin sir, ano? Yung pinaka top view, visualizer ng ano, ng planning natin sir. Ito yung control tower sir. Observation point, advance points, advance post. Unang mag-wave sir diyan sir, ang Alpha Company. Tapos babakbak si Alpha Company sa observation point. Babakbak 'yon yung Alpha, yung kabila. Tapos darating sir ang Bravo Company sir, yan yung first at saka second platoon. Tawag doon, mag-join ng Alpha at saka Bravo din sir. And then may apat na AEV yan sir.
Alpha Company, first platoon, has successfully embarked via AAVs en route to the designated landing zone. Their objective, to engage and disrupt enemy fortifications as North forces prepare a defensive assault against the advancing Southern forces. We, Bravo Company, will serve as the second wave, providing follow-on support and reinforcing Alpha 1st Platoon upon establishing a beachhead at the target location.
Teritoryo namin to, ba't kayo nandito? Sobrang dami na naming ibinigay. Teritoryo namin to, ba't kayo nandito? Ito'y tahanan namin di bibigay. Teritoryo namin to, ba't kayo nandito? Sobrang dami na naming ibinigay. Teritoryo namin to, ba't kayo nandito? Ito'y tahanan namin di bibigay.
Wala namang dapat pag-awayan kundi lang kayo sakin. Karagatan at lupain, pilit niyong inaangkin. Di nyo ba kayang tanggapin? Sadyang makitid ba ang utak? Pilipino ang tatak, Muling iaangat watawat sa kapatagan sa ngalan ng mga bayaning nakipaglaban. Sapagkat tandaan mo lagi, kababayan, di ka dapat naalipin sa iyong bayan.
Meanwhile, Alpha Company has successfully outflanked the Northern forces and secured the shoreline. All AAVs are fully deployed and prepped for continued advancement inland. Alpha 1st Platoon and Bravo Company are set to embark aboard the AAVs for the next phase of the assault, while 2nd Platoon will proceed on foot, conducting a dismounted patrol to sweep and secure the surrounding terrain.
Sampung AAV na sasakay para makita ko yung kasama yung infantry, kasama yung infantry.
Teritoryo namin dito, hindi to para nakawin mo. At buong pusong nakahawak sa aming lupang sinilangan. Di magiba, di bibigay, di na pwedeng maapi. Di magiba, di bibigay, di na pwedeng paapi. Di magiba, di bibigay, di na pwedeng maapi. Di magiba, di bibigay, di na pwedeng paapi.
Upon disembarkation, our platoon made contact with Northern forces, prompting us to take immediate cover along the flanks of our AAV. A brief but intense exchange of fire ensued as we established a defensive perimeter and prepared to push forward under fire. To minimize casualties, we maintained a low profile, utilizing available cover while conducting visual reconnaissance on the Northern forces' positions. Once enemy movement was confirmed, we prepared to execute a coordinated counterattack to regain the initiative.
Contact! 12 o'clock! Contact! 12 o'clock! 12 o'clock! Contact! 12 o'clock! Tony! Huwag ka dyan! Kita ka dyan! Oh. Bati tayo. Sige.
Northern forces have established a flank on elevated terrain, giving them a tactical advantage over our position. In response, we are initiating a maneuver operation to gain a more favorable position and counter their high ground advantage through flanking and coordinated movement.
Nasa open pair tayo dun. Tara. Ambush yun. Oh. Lapit na nun. Mga yellow yun ah.
Several elements of our company are currently black on ammo. We are regrouping and resupplying to prepare for a renewed counteroffensive. The day is long, and the enemy remains vigilant. We will hold position, conserve strength, and wait for the right moment to strike. There is no room for haste. Mission success takes priority over speed. Move with caution. Complete the objective.